Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can clone your WhatsApp in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your this security app. Then you have to scroll down. You can go to security if there is an option, or you can go to the settings. Here you can see there are lots of hide apps, app lock, and you can see here are dual apps. Dual apps means you can create the clone version of that app. And first I just uninstall it, and here it is WhatsApp. You have to tap on WhatsApp, and if you want to create a dual app, then you have to enable this. Now created dual app successfully. Just press back and you can see there are two WhatsApp are showing. This is one and this is two. You can see just here it is. Friends, you can see it is created successfully. Now you have to just turn it off to remove the dual app, and you can see only one app WhatsApp is showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.